Hey guys, we're back in the office. We are actually one of the few companies that have been exempted for phase one. So we're still going to continue doing videos, some at home and some in the office. We're really excited to finally be back in the office somewhat. Life is starting to make sense again. So today, Lego actually sent us a really huge parcel. We don't really know what it is. We kind of have an idea of what this is. It's probably a newly launched car.
Yeah, it's probably a car. Yeah.
Yes. So, and if you are just wondering why so far apart, it's also social distancing.
Yeah.
We are still abiding by the rules and regulations. So, without further ado, we want to share with you exactly what's inside this box. We ready?
Yeah.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. So here we go. We're gonna open the box now.
Okay.
Oh.
It's a Lamborghini.
Wow. Yeah. It's a Lamborghini.
Yes.
As you can see right here, it's kind of huge. So based on the color, I kind of have an idea of what this car already is because I actually saw the car in Frankfurt in like real life, and I think it was in this color. So
Oh really?
yeah, you kind of know what car this is?
No, actually.
Recently
I don't
launched.
really know.
Yeah.
Is it a concept or what?
No, by now it should be a production.
Oh,
Is it still a concept? Okay, so I think it's a Lamborghini Sián. Is that how we pronounce it?
Sián.
Sián, okay lah, Lamborghini Sián.
Sián?
Sián, I think it's Lamborghini Sián.
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 Apparently it means lightning in Italian, I think.
Oh, wow.
Lightning. Sián.
So there you have it. That's the rear of the car. There's actually 3,696 pieces as stated here.
Yes. And
That is just insane.
and you have to be 18 years old and above.
Yeah.
So you mess around. with
I'm
this
above
stuff.
18, but I really don't think I can actually do it. So, what is this? Oh, this is heavy, man. So, there you have it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a Lamborghini Sián. So it's 696 pieces. Lego Technic actually did the GT3 RS, the Bugatti Chiron, all this before, and then now it's a Sián. We're hoping they'll do more of this. I actually heard that the Technic is a lot more complex and a lot more sophisticated than the regular Lego.
Yeah.
I guess it's one way to find out. We'll actually open up and see how it looks like. Oh, it's tough, man. It's tough.
Yeah. Okay, I'm not doing anything, but.
Yeah. Alrighty then.
Oh, this is nice. This is nice. This is like the engine
wow.
cover,
Yeah.
the rear glass.
Yeah. It's really
It's
nice.
not
The
real
cover,
glass.
well, I mean, it's very nicely done.
Yeah.
Very well themed out. Very Lamborghini themed.
Yeah, it's 3D also.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. I wonder what these are.
Okay.
Oh, I think it's actually the Lego pieces inside. It's all numbered. Mine's 6. What's yours?
Mine is 5. So I guess these are the parts, right? That would make sense. Oh, there we go.
Ooh, what have you got? Oh, you've got rubbish. I've got.
Oh, I got the rims.
Yeah.
That's the easiest part.
Yeah, man. Oh,
Look
so
at
the
this.
rims
This
is
is
6. Okay, that's quite cool. That's
A
actually.
glimpse to the absolute complication that
Yeah, okay, this is actually
get ourselves
this
into.
is quite nice. It's quite realistic. What is this? This is 1 to 8 the size.
Yeah, I saw it on the box just now. 1 to 8.
Oh, this is huge, man. 1 to
Yeah,
8 is
so-
just crazy.
Parts.
More parts.
More parts.
Number 3.
This.
So I guess it's number 1 and number 2 then.
This parts. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it sounds complex. It actually sounds complex.
Right. So
oh,
we got-
okay.
what is this? Instructions.
So there's more of the entire car's image right here. I believe this would be the instructions. Mine is book 1. What's yours? Book 2?
Where do you see?
Yep. So
Yeah,
there you
book
have
two.
it. Mine's book 1. Oh, yep. Book 1 right there.
Yeah, book 2. Well.
Is yours the instructions? Because mine is like just like a brochure sort of.
Oh, okay.
Tells
That's a
you
teaser to the.
yeah, the history
everything.
of a bit of history, I would think. Yeah. Yep. More history lessons.
Oh
There
dear.
we go. Well done.
Done.
Very nicely done.
I'm flipping and flipping.
Oh,
and
mine has
flipping.
got instructions as well. I mean, with 3,900 pieces or through 600 pieces.
My
I
page
suppose.
291 and it's still not complete.
So a little bit about the Lamborghini Sián. If memory serves correctly, it's a V12 hybrid supercar It has about some 807 brake horsepower, and it gets from 0 to 100 in like what, 2.8 seconds. That's like or maybe even less than 2.8 seconds. I think the power to rate ratio is even better than the Aventador SVJ. Is that what you call it? SVR, SVJ, SVJ, or SVR is another brand.
Yeah,
right?
that's Java.
It'll take us about a year and a half to actually complete this, I suspect. We'll do our very best to finish by then. So there we have it. This is the unboxing of Lego Technic's Lamborghini Sián. When we are done with it in like 365 days later, we will show you guys.
Good luck.
Thanks for watching.
See you guys next time.